In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a bank account to Shopify. Whether you're just starting out with your online store or looking to streamline your financial operations, connecting your bank account is a crucial step. This ensures you can receive payments from sales directly to your bank and manage funds seamlessly. Let's dive into the process and get you set up in no time. First off, you'll need to log into your Shopify account. Once you've logged in and are on the dashboard, look for the left-hand menu where you'll see the section labeled Settings. Click on this, and it will lead you to a new page with several options. Next, locate and click on Payments. This is where you manage your payment providers. The Payments section is essential because it facilitates how money flows into your business and ensures transactions are handled smoothly. Within this section, you'll see a list of different payment providers. What we want to focus on are the payouts, where your bank account details will be added. Next, navigate to Shopify Payments and click on Manage. You will be taken to a section labeled Payouts. Now, scroll down until you see the option to add your bank account for payouts. It's crucial that the bank account you connect here matches your business name information in Shopify, as discrepancies might cause issues with payouts. Prepare your bank details ahead of time. You'll want to have your bank account number and routing number within reach, as you will need to input these accurately. Once you have this information, click on Add Bank Account and carefully fill in your details into the provided fields. Double-check these entries to ensure there are no errors. This will prevent any delays or issues with transactions. After entering your bank account details, you might be required to provide additional information or verification steps. Sometimes, Shopify performs verification to confirm the details provided are correct and legitimate. Be sure to follow any prompts carefully and provide whatever extra information is required to complete this step. Once you've done that, don't forget to hit Save. Your bank account should now be linked to your Shopify store, which means you can start receiving payouts directly to your bank. It's worth noting that it may take a few days for the bank account to be fully verified and operational, so be patient if you don't see immediate action. Finally, it's always a good practice to review your account settings periodically to ensure that everything is working seamlessly. You might want to run a test transaction or simply wait for the next payout to ensure funds are depositing as expected. And there you have it, your Shopify account is now linked to your bank. By following these steps, you'll ensure a smooth financial operation for your online store, giving you more time to focus on growing your business. Thank you for watching, and happy selling!